So how confident are you to retain the Mausanram seat?
Yeah. So I have just filed the nomination from Mausanram constituency from the BJP ticket. And well, the mood is upbeat and I'm confident. Okay, some people. Okay, I think let him go. Others will go upon again. I have just filed my nomination from Mausanram constituency under the BJP ticket. I'm quite confident for a victory. And the mood in my constituency is upbeat. And today, just to escort me, I had just about 3,000 supporters who had come all the way from Mausanram. So I feel that yes, we'll be there in the next assembly as well. Yeah. And I kublay ginong Kyrteng yung baro state. There are a lot of works that we need to do. We are quite confident that the BJP will be in the government and we will be bringing a lot of change for the people. Under the able leadership of Narendra Modi ji, we are very confident that we are going to bring a lot of funds and resources for the state, and we are going to bring a lot of development. Priorities are on the health sector, the education sector, and the most important of all is the employment sector. This is the time banging in Treshitom, bang in Penpoy, Ngiru, Nginbot.
That have claimed that the people of Meghalaya are not accepting the BJP. What do you have to say?
I would request you to kindly come and see and meet the people in the rural areas, and you'll get the answer to your question. Because the people of Meghalaya have understood that they need a change now, and that change can be brought only by the BJP. The state has undergone a lot of financial crisis. The state needs to come back on the track, and it needs to provide a lot of developmental projects. We need roads, we need engineering colleges, we need medical colleges, we need employment for the youths. So these are all the issues that are in the manifesto of the BJP, which we are going to implement the moment we sit in the government.
There are also allegations that the BJP will be buying MLAs after the elections. What do you have to say?
Let the election be over. Let us see how many seats we get. There's no question of buying or selling here.
There were certain moves coming from Assam, delisting of SD converts and also asking for the churches and all this. So how do you see it?
I would not like to comment on that. We are on the election mood now in the state, so I think we will confine ourselves with the election issues in the state.
So what is the view of the BJP of being anti-minority? So how would you?
It cannot be anti-minority. You have seen that Modi ji has given so many schemes for the rural poor, for the women folk, and for many. There is a separate minority ministry that has been created by Narendra Modi. So therefore we cannot term it that way. There are a lot of developmental projects that have been sanctioned by this minority ministry, and therefore we can see it. For one instance, you could see the PA Sangma Stadium has been sanctioned by the minorities ministry. Therefore, these are just allegations of people. We would not like to take on that.
Since the BJP